everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Angeline and I am the owner of Angelic Creations. So today I have a sublimation video. This is my first sublimation video and we will be sublimating on a grad stall for a kindergarten. So I had already started and I decided I was going to do a video so that I can show you how I do the other side. So the first step is to show you all how I design my image inside of Canva. So let's head over to the laptop. Okay, so I designed my image inside of Canva and I changed each of my letters to a different color. So all of these letters were black at one point and I changed them to whatever color I wanted to change them to using my color palette here. So I clicked on the letter K just for an example and I'm going to change it to just a random color, do black. As you can see, it changed to black. So you can change each and every letter to whatever color you want to. And right below that, I added class of 2023, doing the same thing. Change each and every one of them to a different color. I also included a little message for her. This is her name here. I added her pretty little photo and I added an offset to the back. And I just added congrats grad. Something cute for a kindergartner. And now we're going to head over to the heat press so that we can press the other side. Okay, so the buzzer has gone off and now it's time to remove our paper so that we can see the final product. Okay, so here's how it's looking. Here's both sides. I like the way that it turned out. Really cute. And these are graduation stoles for the kids. Sorry, let me turn it the other way. Okay, yeah, you can see it better this way. Okay, really cute. And I know that you all are like sublimation. For people who do not know what sublimation is, I will do a more in-depth video coming soon. I just wanted to have just to post a video. It is graduation season, so I have a few more videos that I am going to record. So if you all have any questions, do not hesitate to ask them. Make sure you all stay tuned because we have plenty of more videos coming soon. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you love the video, share it with your family and friends. Until next time, bye.